Good morning students. Today we are going to cover the next topic of civics, that is chapter number 2, the president and the vice president. In this chapter we will learn about the qualification which is required to become a president of India, composition, how the president be elected, as well as his powers and functions. So first I will tell you about the president. The present president of India is Ram Nath Kovind, the president of India. All the powers, executive powers, vested in the hand of president of India, and he exercise his power with the help of other ministers. Okay, for his help prime minister is there and is a council of ministers. So always president take help or take advice of president and his council of minister. Number of ministers were there in the council of minister who assist time to time to president. Clear? So all the powers vested in the hand of president, so his name is used by using the powers of government. Clear? Now first is qualification. Under the president, first topic is qualification. What qualification required to become the president of India? So first is president of, if you person want to become a president of India, he or she must be a citizen of India. So first is citizen of India, that is a prior qualification. Then second is the age necessary, age of 35. He has to be completed the age of 35 years. So after 35 years a person is eligible to become a president of India. Next is he or she is qualified for the election of as a member of Lok Sabha. So qualified for the election of Lok Sabha. That is the next qualification required. First is citizen of India. Second is must be completed the age of 35 years. Third is must be qualified for the election of Lok Sabha. Clear? And one is limitation given imposed on the qualification of a president, that a person shall not be eligible for the post of president if that person hold any office of profit under the government of India. If that person is hold any office of profit, that person is not eligible for the post of president. Clear? Now next is the composition of the president. Next is composition of electoral college. Composition means a president is elected indirectly by the member of electoral college. How it elected? Indirectly. So that word is necessary in your answer, that how, if composition come in your paper, indirectly word should be there, that a president of India elect indirectly by the electoral college. Now who were the member of electoral college? Electoral college consists elected member of parliament, means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, as well as elected member of legislative assembly. So President of India elected indirectly by the electoral college, and electoral college consists the elected member of parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, as well as elected member of legislative assembly. Clear? Now next question is that why president elect indirectly, why the election not conducted directly? So reasons were behind there. The first most reason behind the election of president is that the president was elected indirectly by the electoral college, as if he could if all the people's persons elected directly, then he could become a rival center of power to the council of minister. So some of the limitation imposed by the constitution to the president in the composition of president. Clear? Means if he could not become rival power, rival center to the power, so that the election was conducted indirectly way. Clear? Next is that electoral college is there. The elected member only elect president of India. The reason is behind that the president is elected by the elected member who elect only that person who represent the whole nation represented with the clear voice given by to the state. Clear? So that's why indirect election was there for the election of president. Now next is term of office. Term, that is the most important question. Always in 2 marks examiner will ask that how was the term period of a president. That is 5 year. So 5 year is a term. Next is oath ceremony. Oath, that President of India, when President of India elected by the elected member of both Parliament and Legislative Assembly, then oath ceremony was conducted. Then oath before entering upon his office, before taking the responsibility of the nation, President takes an oath in the presence of Chief Justice of India. So in the presence of Chief Justice of India, President take oath, and if Chief Justice of India is not present, in his absence, senior most judge of Supreme Court was there, is there. Clear? So oath ceremony was done in the presence of Chief Justice, and in his absence in the presence of senior most judge of Supreme Court. So that is the oath taken by the President. So which type of oath taken by the President? That he preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law. He discharged the function of the President of India. He devote himself to the people of India. So such type of oath taken by the President of India in the presence of Chief Justice of India. Next is vacation of office. Next heading is vacation of office. So President of India has vast powers in his hand. Then how his office vacant, in which condition, when his office was vacant. So first is that if a person want to give resignation, in that such type of case, if the President want to give resignation, during that time the seat of President is vacant. Clear? So to whom he give resignation? So President of India may submit his resignation to the Vice President, and Vice President communicate this resignation with the Speaker of Lok Sabha. So first case is resignation. By resignation only the seat of the President, office of President vacant. Now second case is that if the President may violate the rules and regulation of the Constitution. So in that type of case, if he is not following the rules and regulation, we violated the Constitution of India, then he can be removed from his office through the process of impeachment. So second condition is if he violated the Constitution. So in that type of case, he may be removed by the majority of vote given by the Parliament member. Clear? So two type of cases are there. In such cases only the seat of the President may be vacant, in resignation and in if he violated the Constitution of India. Now procedure for impeachment. Then which procedure is followed? How the President of India removed from his office through the process of impeachment. Next heading is process of impeachment. Procedure of impeachment. when president is to be impeached for the violation of the constitution either by the house of parliament, means if any house, Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, any house, either of the house impose the charge on the president that he or she is not following the rules and regulation, he is violating the constitution of India. During that type of case, what is the procedure? First is resolution was passed by the member. Before sending the resolution to the president, prior 14-day notice given by them. So 14 days notice, written notice sent to the president before sending to the resolution, and in this notice, which is written notice, in this 1/4 members signature needed. Clear? Means parliament members, total number of members whatever there, out of total number 1/4 members signature should be there in the procedure of impeachment before sending the resolution to the president 14 days before prior notice given to them. Then second is that first 14 days before 1/4 member sign and give resolution to the before sending the resolution, one information given. Then after that resolution was passed by the majority of member. So two-third members means total, out of total members, 2/3 members signature needed, approval needed for following the process of impeachment. Means if 2/3 member agree that the person is not doing his duty properly, the person is violating the constitution, so for that blame, for that charge, 2/3 membership approval of 2/3 membership needed. After that another procedure is that when either one of the house charge the violation of the constitution done by the president, after that if one Lok Sabha put charge, then Rajya Sabha members investigate on it. Okay? An investigation was done by the other house. After investigation, if majority of votes done by in the favor of impeachment, then that approval is necessary, and then the seat of the president was vacant, means he removed from his office by following the process of impeachment. So first is before 14 days signature, 1/4 member signature approval means a notification given to the president. After that resolution was sent to the president, and for that also 2/3 membership needed, and after that if one house charge, then other house do the investigation. After investigation only that if majority of members give vote in favor of impeachment, then only the president remove from his office.